Hello, hello. Let me see what we got going on in NQ today.
What's up? What's up? Good morning, Mystic D4 trade. Oh,
You guys
before
have the
trade.
most unique usernames I've ever
That's
seen.
genuinely crazy.
It's a pretty funny username though.
Yeah.
What should we do today on NQ? Honestly, I've been waiting for this thing to die for so long. Like, it's been way too long. I really want to see these lows get taken. Am I too far out my depths to say send NQ to 19K?
Nah.
No. But it's good to see the sell-off. I'll see this market trading lower.
I think we go a lot lower today.
Yeah, I'd wanted to see it get down to some of these 4-hour lows. Where is this low? This low is down here. I don't know how far we are. We can't be that far away. $200 points, actually pretty far away. NQ still gonna fall? I hope so. I'm bearish on it. I've been bearish on NQ for a while. Maybe like 20K. I'm not sure.
I know, you're perma bear.
This whole year I'm just gonna be bearish.
This whole year.
Yeah.
I'm back with the marine glasses. You guys are menaces.
What is a marine glass? Let me see.
Don't know. No clue.
I don't know what they are.
Tell me, what are marine glasses?
Yeah, let us know. Yo, what's up? Yeah, I mean, if you're holding shorts, I would still like a run below this low. 840 low. Should be able to get in. I don't know where we could get in on this, though.
Only if we go up. Hold on, I'm just setting everything up here. Your glasses bias is correct if we dump today. Yeah, the whole thing is I don't even have blue glasses, so, you know. I think we'll have to tap into 2 to 15 minute and then go lower.
Yeah, maybe we can play a trade with my range. Like, we take out the low, target the high, something like that. And then if we take out the high, we can drop off. I feel like it's too low to sell down here. Either we take out some sort of liquidity into the open, push higher, then drop off. Wouldn't be the worst of plans or ideas.
We had PPI at 5:30. Sorry, my 5:30 at 8:30 New York time.
Oh, that's what pushed us to the downside.
Yeah, I would expect us to be bearish today. No, I don't. Well, hiking, I don't know. I don't. Did I ever go on a hike? Yes, when I was living on this Caribbean island. I did go for hikes, but now I don't.
When he was living
Why
on
are you
Epstein's
laughing?
island.
No.
when you when he was living with Epstein, this is what he did.
Yeah. So there I had like, I made like a lot of valuable connections, right? I met some people there. I cannot name names, I think. I don't want our YouTube to get banned, you know.
Yeah. Plans for the weekend. I don't have much going on this weekend. I have a cat to look after.
Yeah, show the cat.
Nah, he's asleep. He's downstairs.
Oh shit.
I'm not waking up that cat, bro. If that cat wakes up, we're getting nothing done.
That cat's a true menace.
Or I'd never get like a snow Bengal cat. And he was expensive.
Did you meet Stephen Hawking? I can't tell you. Well, generally, I cannot get anything done if this cat.
He met Bill Gates.
Right.
He was with Bill Gates, bro.
This cat dropped my velo into the water. Let me actually refresh the water because that can't be good for a cat.
Oh, that's definitely not good for the cat. Yo, what's up? Yeah, those of you that are coming in, I feel like NQ is too weak right now. Too short. Maybe if we run the low, we could get along with my range. Today, London was pretty okay. Like, we take out the high. If you take a loss here, this second entry is where you make back your money plus more.
Yeah, you'd have to be on the chart for a long time though, so I was...
Yeah, this is
I
like
already left
until
by that time.
5 a.m. Do you want to see my cat?
Yes.
This is my cat, bro. He has an iced out chain. I'm joking. But that's what he has potential to become.
Oh, dude. This cat, man. Did you see that?
This is him, though.
Oh.
Well,
she literally jumped on my back from the floor. Oh. Oh.
Nah, I was going to name him either Baki or I ended up naming him Leo. You guys know who Baki is?
Beckham.
It's this Netflix anime. I binged it when I was waiting for markets to open back up in December. Yeah, Finn's cat is a girl.
Yeah. We can let them mate. No, kidding. Mine is neutered.
How would that look though? Like the breed?
No. I think the spots with like long hair.
Damn. That'd be pretty cool.
That'd be pretty crazy. New business plan.
No, but like people who sell Bengal cats must make like a killing. That market.
Yeah, but you're not allowed to have too many nests, you know, or however you call that.
Oh yeah, true. We will start doing market research on Bengal cats.
You need a dog.
I need a dog, bro. I have a kitten and I can't look after the kitten. Like, if I have a dog, I wouldn't be able to look after the dog. Like this kitten is hard work.
Dude. Finn doesn't
You're not
because he's
allowed.
in Dubai. They are allowed.
Yeah, I
Dubai
think
is
you can have
not
them.
that strict. You can have a dog, you can have a cat, you can have a
You can have
tiger if you
lions and
want.
tigers. Yeah.
Yeah, they're allowed. Of course they are. It's not haram.
I would get a Doberman.
Oh yeah. Is it against religion? A dog?
No. You can have any animal as a pet as long as you don't like take it out.
I mean, the whole thing is if you get a dog here, you know, in summer it's like 50 degrees. So that's pretty sad for the dog, to be fair. I even see huskies here, bro.
Huskies in Dubai shouldn't be a thing because it's too warm
No.
for them, right?
It's way too hot. And they need a lot of movement, but they cannot like run around in summer, definitely.
I agree. Let's do some Nasdaq abuse today. Let's run the low and just buy.
Nasdaq abuse. You know what the thing is?
Yeah.
If we now run lower, I want us to go lower since we have this long wick.
Yeah. Honestly, like a 1 to 3 short here wouldn't be the worst of ideas.
Yeah. Let's see what the open does, though.
We're 100% running this low. We have to run this low. Where's my paper account?
You're gonna use
What do you guys say?
500 minis?
We can do like 100. The thing is, when you enter 100, it kind of does lag in.
Yeah, true. That's real market conditions, to be fair.
Yeah, it's simulating real market conditions.
My only worry, what history capsule says in the chat, is that indeed the daily is nowhere, like going nowhere.
Yeah, today is last day of the month. Like, I would be really disappointed if this candle flips and becomes bullish, because then this market is just going to stay where it is. But I'm hoping this candle just remains bearish, maybe
Yeah.
at least to the low of like 23rd. That's what I would say. I need to fix my monitor as well.
Oh, you
I
bought
can't
a new
believe it
stand,
broke.
right?
Yeah, I can't believe it broke that one day.
That's crazy.
Confirm again it's paper. No, this is a real account where I can enter 100 minis.
Yeah.
I'm joking, guys. It's paper.
Millionaire Ralph, basically.
But we can say if we entered 100 mini shorts here, targeting this low. This isn't a trade I'd take, but why not for the fun of the stream?
How many people do you think are gonna follow this trade?
I don't know.
I would genuinely be surprised if you're right.
Probably everyone in the chat. Today's bias, I kind of want to see it go lower, but I don't have anywhere to like short off of. So either we take out the low to go higher. That's the only thing I kind of see. But I'm just playing around on paper right now.
I would want to see a very strong displacement to the upside if we do.
Yeah, at the open.
Otherwise, I wouldn't get into a long position.
100 mini on a paper account can move the real market, bro.
Even 1,000
I hope you're not
minis
being.
cannot.
I hope you're not being serious. And you're rage baiting me. I think price wants lower today. Yeah, even with my model though, if the market is bullish, it has to go lower anyway. Okay, good. Good. You had me worried. You never know with the chat here.
Chat sometimes is very not forgiving in that sense.
You just never know. London,
never know.
Yeah, it was. It was actually clean with my range, but the thing is, we just chopped here. If you take a L here, this is a decent short. It's just too late, but still very nice delivery. Can I take the same trade as you with 100 minis? Sure. Why not?
If you want to. Watch out with the consistency rule, though. No.
Yeah, like as soon as you enter 100 minis, actually, you go into instant drawdown. Like the only way to actually trade with larger sides is through limit orders.
Yeah.
So at least you get filled in. But yeah, I actually finished my trading on Tuesday. So next week I'm back trading again. My other accounts. Today, pretty pleased, can get Nvidia to 173. I like the way you think. I think we can get Nvidia lower. I hope we do send Nvidia lower. I did think them beating their earnings was like a whole facade. Like a fake pump from the market.
Just gonna see what the open does.
4690.
Bro,
Yeah, two scenarios, but first scenario I don't want to buy. So why not have fun on a bit of paper? You want all the way. Yeah, I see it. Should we just trail this? Trail this to break even and just see if we get the run lower. No TP. I can't actually confirm that. I don't know why not.
You cannot confirm what?
Like I move. Oh, there we go. I hope not. I hope all, in the nicest way possible, I hope all stocks drop. $469 flat. Yeah. Honestly, if the open just drops it, then we can just trail the stop. But
oh my.
I think big contracts, I'm not sure. I don't really see a big problem with psychology in trading. I think most people have a strategy problem. Like me looking at 100 contracts, me looking at one contract, makes no difference to me. The only difference is I can't get paid from this account, so I'm more than happy to play around with the market.
Open in 9 minutes. I would think we hit the
Yeah.
low first because we're so close. But I wouldn't like to long in this market, although the model says so.
No, we should at least get the low even if we're bullish.
Yeah.
How's gold looking today? This was straight pop of the news.
Yeah. Pretty legit candle there.
No. Got my break. There's no way we leave this low.
No.
Before the open and drop gold. What should we do with it? Do you want to
With
short it
gold?
at the open? Yeah.
I mean, it's more what the model tells you to. That gives me a lot of like, then it's
Yeah.
stress-free trading if you just trade due to the model. Do not think too much.
Yeah, I
Get what I
definitely
mean?
think we get a poke above it on the high. I don't know if it's Friday. I mean, if you guys are up on the week, lock in those profits.
Yeah. This music is all the same, to be fair.
I know. I was looking at it. They're all kind of meh. One moment in your life that completely changed your mindset about success.
What is success? Define success.
Me?
No, I mean,
Oh.
the Josh, the one asking the question. Define success.
What are you looking for after the open? There's no way, bro. You typed it all in caps.
Bro was shouting at you.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for after open? Tell me. Tell me. Let me know.
I mean, after open, we get to see what we're gonna do. So I would either
if I had to
want
pick,
to go lower or go higher, but I would prefer lower.
yeah, like I'd like to run lower, but I see this low not holding. We should be able to take it out. If we get the long setup, makes sense because we'll have a huge regular trading hours gap. So like either run it this low, hold this, something like that. For 50 points, take a long, then finish for the weekend. This one kind of medieval. This one is. I don't know what music to add. We should have Gideon to find some music.
Yeah, Gideon, get on it. We can get some nice music suggested by you.
I got taken out at break even with the 100 minis. I still think we run the low though.
No, we leave that low.
Yeah, they leave the low then.
Ain't no way, dude.
Should be easily able to get it. Feels like spiritual. What about
We're
this
moving
one?
before the open. Okay. Whap.
Whap. Whap. Yo, Gideon, find us some Taylor Swift or something, bro. This is an interesting choice. By the way, Samsung is launching a S26. Dude, I don't know. I don't know much about Samsung.
This guy is the most Apple guy that you've ever met, probably.
More of an Apple guy, yeah. I'm stuck within the ecosystem and I can't break out.
Yeah, it's basically like being on in a rat race.
Yeah. Can't do much about it. Right, we got a minute. At that low we spoke about, right? I mean, if you guys took the shorts, either just TP here.
I wouldn't know from where to short though. It's just, I don't know. 1 minute until open, like 30 seconds actually.
Peak consumerism, it is. Yeah, still you didn't give me an account one other than really just tell Gideon to give you the account, bro. Hunt him down. This gap is huge. I mean, the longs.
No way that we left that.
Of course.
We actually did.
Maybe
We
shorts
actually
down.
left that low. Huh?
Maybe shorts down if you take the high.
We're not gonna take the high. We're gonna go up first, and then like halfway, we're gonna dump down.
Yeah.
That's what I think. We're on halfway of the range.
Where's the S? Or Dow? I think Dow's gonna get the high. Yeah. You prefer shorts? You're telling the only guy that's been bearish forever. I would love NQ down to here.
Like, actually.
Then if we don't take the low, we take the high, then either this. I don't like how big this gap is. It's a bullish gap. At the moment, See, it nearly ran the lows. It's gonna smack through this low. It has to.
Depends how.
For my peace of mind.
I mean, yeah. That's what you would think, right?
Dude. Funny turn away from NQ. Yeah, it's not made up his mind what it wants to do.
This is actually surprising to me.
What is?
How we are running right now.
It's so slow. See the M1.
Yeah.
No, he's still stuck.
If we close above that 50%,
yeah,
I would think we run that high.
Are we pushing? ES is pushing. Oh, yeah, NQ's getting up there. And we're filling in this gap. Where is the high? 20,063. 20. That's a pretty big high. I don't want it to see it go all the way up there. That's all the way up here.
We got into the 5-minute gap now.
Bro, one of my friends shorted NQ from here with like 8 minis. He just got out of here. Yeah, it's like a 40k trade.
Damn.
I've actually turned back to trading New York again.
Yeah.
M15 gap as well. Yeah, this wild. Either we poke above the high, stay below the gap, then we can sell down. I think that's not the worst of ideas. But holy, this has been so slow, bruv.
This is very slow. This is not something you want to see right now.
I know, especially on Friday.
Yeah.
Yo, this chair is so like low that I just sink into this. It's like every time.
Do I hear you complain?
Yeah, I'm complaining about the chair. Also, I don't get the hype about a Herman Miller chair. I don't think they're all that. Do you have one?
The what?
A Herman Miller chair?
What is that?
You never seen it? They're
Doesn't
like
Tanya have one?
1.5. Yeah, they're like 1.5k.
No way.
But they're not worth that price, in my opinion. They're just like a normal office chair.
No way I'm gonna buy like
You're gonna
pay
buy
that
it?
for a chair. No way I'm gonna spend that on a chair, bro.
It's worth it, low key. I'm joking. It's not.
Sure.
Dude, what is this price section? Dow SMT. No Dow SMT. The M15 gap, we're still stuck within it. Ideal for me is we still take out the high. Bro, that cat is downstairs. Like, I don't even want to wake him up. I hope he's still asleep. Like the first night he was so scared, and the second night, bro, he won't leave me alone. Which is good.
That's cute. Oh.
But he stays up forever and wants to play. And I can't play that long, so I might. The way to fix this
Bro
problem
gets tired.
is
Bro
buy
fell
another
asleep
one.
before his cat.
Yeah, bro. So the only way you can fix this problem is buying another one. So now they have two. Yeah. But then if you have two, then one might get lonely, you know. So you buy three, and then you have three. Then you probably want four at that point. So I might.
And then you end up being a cat guy.
Yeah, I'll just stack up on exotic cats and see what I can do.
Buy a tiger, bro.
That's probably the profession I'll go into next.
Yeah.
I should
genuinely
wake him up. Low genuinely. So we just
genuinely, this is not looking good for the high.
No, this is very boring. I mean, if you guys are in whatever, I'm not sure what you'd be in right now. Either you shorted from the M15. I don't know. I still see this low. I don't see this low holding at 840. I don't think this is low of the day. If it is low of the day, then damn, I'm wrong. But I don't think this is low of the day. Either we take out this high or we sell from this gap. That's like the two scenarios. I don't have much to do right now in this PA. Gold. Honestly, I would have liked gold taking the high, then we can short it down. London was okay. Yesterday we did get that bullish run on gold as well that we wanted. Yo, this music is some of the worst music I've ever heard. It sounds like, you know, when you walk into, what do you call it?
Techno party.
Yeah, maybe. I don't even know. Some of the worst music though. Matched with some of the worst price action, this is a recipe for disaster. How's the M1 looking?
Horrible.
Yeah, I hope we do get this low.
Genuinely looks terrible.
None of these. Oh, Dow's run the lows.
Yeah.
Is that enough to push NQ? Leaving this behind. What genre? I'd like some Taylor Swift, please, mate. If that's possible. There's not too much to ask for.
You can make that happen, please.
Yeah. Well, at least lighten something up for this New York session, you know?
Yeah. Bro, this is not going to be a session like this. Come on, dude.
Well, where we just chop.
Yeah. I don't want to look at chop right now.
The chop and this music, this is a great combo.
Diabolical.
I don't like how this is a bullish gap, so ideally for me, it would always be like we run this low, we long off of it, because I don't want to see this low be left, you know?
Yeah.
Let's go GeoGuessr. We actually can, less 10 minutes. There's like this one guy in the chat that religiously hates GeoGuessr though.
Yeah, true.
Is he here?
I don't know. He genuinely hates it.
Yeah. Like he never comments in the chat, but whenever GeoGuess is mentioned, he's like, no.
Yeah, he's like, no, don't do it. Don't play GeoGuessr, please.
Anything but
but
GeoGuessr.
GeoGuessr. Yeah. But like seriously, I would not like to look at this price action right now. I wouldn't see anything that makes sense.
Yeah, the only thing I see is just this low getting smoked. Like I don't believe this is low of the day.
Yeah.
Oh, ES already smoked it. It would be great if we ran the high of the range, which we wanted.
Yeah, otherwise we're just gonna run lower. You have this big 1 minute gap that maybe gets filled. Or like
oh yeah, these lows are going for sure. There's no way we leave them. If they leave them, then
I'm just wrong.
I don't know. I'll put it on. I'll put it on Finn's life. We should run those lows. Imagine we don't run them now.
Oh, thanks, mate.
No, we should.
Thank you.
I put it on Finn's life. We should. So that means we definitely should have run that low.
So that means we definitely gonna run that low. Otherwise, Finn is gonna die.
GC. If it runs that low, it runs the high on gold, then it makes sense for the short.
Yeah,
we're almost at that low, so you'll get to live, bro.
Oh, thanks.
It's like a few points away.
Hopefully.
There you go. You'll get to survive another day.
What? There you go. The low didn't go yet. Oh, it did.
No, it's gone.
Okay.
You see, we put it on Finn's life. Now he gets to live.
That's nice of you guys.
We should start doing that for more trading targets. We should make this a trend. Actually,
a bet on Finn's life.
We should make the anytime you guys trade and you want to see a target get hit, you should put it on Finn's life. And if it doesn't get hit, then check in every stream just to make sure Finn's there. If he's still there, then you're technically allowed to do it more.
Only for good trades, though, not just.
Yeah, only for like easy trades. Should we put it on your life? We run this high. No, let's
do whatever you want, bro.
I put it on Gideon's life. We're gonna run the high at 24,923.
Dude.
Gideon, I hope it runs the high and we don't just straight sink. Imagine we just make new low here.
Okay, that didn't go well, did it?
No, there's still hope. Still hope.
There still is hope for Gideon's life.
There's still hope. Oh, this is the wick. Honestly, Gideon, this is the only thing that's holding you up right now. So you need to pray that this
of the wick.
You just need to pray this wick holds to push this market higher for you. If this wick fails, then honestly, I wouldn't go out. I wouldn't leave the house this weekend. Honestly, I would just stay inside, bro.
Honestly.
But the good thing about this trend is it resets after the weekend, so you're back to normal. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna get to live. Are you ready, Gideon? 20 points. 20 points is all you need. And the wick held. You have 3 minutes to push it to the high. You ready? 2 minutes. We need a drum roll. Oh, there's a drum roll. I always wondered what the drum roll was for. That's exactly what we can use the drum roll for. I always wondered. I wondered
No, but
what
it
the
should be a
drum roll
more
effect.
gentle one.
Yeah, that one was very bad.
Yeah.
I've never heard a drum roll like that before.
No, neither did I. Ever. Well, actually, Gideon, this is not looking good, mate.
Actually, Gideon, we might need to stay in this weekend, mate.
Mate.
Look at ES is still so weak. Oh my god, they're smoking Dow. That's insane.
Oh. That's probably what's pulling it down right now.
Yeah. Did we get a new 15-minute
Well,
candle?
we're still holding that 15-minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Back to more serious talk, by the way, guys. This market's looking very bad. Still chopping around. Usually the first 15, we should be trading away from like 930's open into some sort of area of liquidity. If we stay within the open and we're closing within, it's just probably the worst day to come about. Like, what is this?
Oh, I think Gideon actually gets to live.
Probably chose is the one that gets copyrighted and takes the whole channel down, bro.
Oh no. Who chose that one?
Yeah. I bet he didn't even check if this is copyright.
Who did that?
Oh, buyers have stepped in, Gideon.
It's looking good.
He gets to live.
Looking good, Gideon.
There we go. Wick held. We got the high. I'm telling you, I put it on Finn's life, we take the low. I put it on Gideon's life, we take the high.
When are you going to take it on your own life, though?
Yeah, that's what you don't. That's where you don't do it. You know, that's where you draw the line.
Okay. Because then it's just like,
yeah. You know, so I did it for you guys because I knew the market was going to get there. You know, it's just how it is. It's just what I knew. So I was like, yeah, this is not going to hurt them. You know,
it's just what it is.
Yeah.
This is pretty sick. That was a quick move, though. After the drama, we got the high.
That finally happened.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's all we actually need. 50 points.
I expect still that we take the 15-minute high, though.
Which one up here?
Yeah. Well, there's no music now.
Oh yeah, now we have nothing. We did capitalize on a nice move. Where did Taylor Swift go?
Was not Taylor Swift, bro.
That was Taylor Swift, no?
Was it? Oh, then we get copyrighted for sure. Nah, for sure.
Bro, Gideon,
someone messed up now.
That's someone, we know who the someone was.
Oh, right.
No, I've done my trading for February. I'm done. But I'll be back trading next week. Today, with my range, we got the high, target the low. If you took a loss here, then you can short the next, or you make it back in New York. take out the low, what we wanted. You know, this low, I don't expect for it to be low of the day. 840, take it out. This wick holds, push the market higher. And then we have the RTH gap fill as well. Not too bad.
It's not too bad at all.
No, it's not too shabby. You just got to trust the model.
Shabby. You see how we're just stalling right now after taking that high?
Yeah, I wouldn't put it on anyone's life now.
No.
Well, yeah, I wouldn't do anything now. Now we just stop.
Did we inverse that 15-minute now? No, we did not. Oh, that's why we're stalling. We didn't inverse or anything with that 15-minute. We're still holding it. That makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, with my ranges, though, you guys know where to exit. If you're coming across them for the first time, then I don't know.
The range did play out.
Bro, the only day that my range hasn't played out this week has been Thursday.
Yeah, I think so. The 15-minute looks pretty. The 5-minute looks pretty crazy right now, actually.
I know, that's why I always watch as well. YM Russell. I mean, I think NQ can follow suit with that. I still think NQ has lower prices to come. But this is where I'm going to be showing this. Bro, why are you guys spamming high?
What?
I just looked at the chat and everyone's spamming high.
Hi, why? Oh, everyone is responding to each other.
W's, no W's today. I mean, the range did play out, but
I mean, I had a W, so.
Then there could be W's. If you guys traded with my range. I have more important business to take care of today. Which is playing my cat. Yeah.
Bro, the cat is now the CEO of your house. You know that, right?
Yeah, exactly. So I have to stick with it. Did your camera turn off?
I don't know, did it?
Oh, yeah, it's back now.
No, it did not.
It just turned off for a split second.
I probably shouldn't have moved that close to the cable.
Range is shit. Show me a payout, bro. You can only shit on my range if you have a payout.
Well,
that should be the new rule.
It's sadly the truth that we happen to exactly go down from the range high.
Yeah, like me talking about where the targets would be of the market was so random.
And just that's where we go lower. Random? I think not.
Really? You should show me them. DM at me. And then I'll let you.
Then I'll let you live.
Then I'll let you talk shit. Or if you can show me 1 month of you making over 30K.
That's actually a good one.
I'm joking, bro.
Should be good.
Bro, gold is still stuck within here. Oh my god. No, that's the only time I'll let anyone talk shit, if you can actually back it up. But if you never see money from the market, then you can't really say anything, you know.
Yeah.
He did. I mean, I'll wait on his DM. If he does show me it, then we'll let him. That he's allowed to talk his way. Tell this fella to piss off.
What?
To be honest, it's just fun though. Like sometimes you always get people that like it doesn't work, but it's mainly coming from the people that have not made any money. So
True.
sometimes it's just fun to listen in on what they have to say.
Listen to the people.
Dude, but this market, I mean, if you guys got the shorts down, then this is where we're getting out. If you got the longs up, then just get out. I wouldn't do anything else with this market.
No.
Because are we putting the next trade? Yes, the next trade's gonna be on his life, and I'll let the chat pick the trade. Or we'll pick the guy with the least win rate. Go pick the next draw. But yeah, we'll call it quits right there for today.
Yep. What is the word gonna be?
Oh, the word of the day. I don't know. I didn't take anything today. What do you want the word to be? Well, let's see.
Nothing that's too hard to spell. Because that often doesn't go well, does it?
No, the word has to be something simple. So the word can be just short.
Short.
No. The word can be TBR actually.
TBR.
Just to piss off that guy. That could be the word of the day.
I guess he now just rejects to say that, you know.
We'll have to do TBR. No, not TVR. No, this is gonna be hard to get it to work.
Oh, no.
Guys, I wrote it on the screen for you to copy.
TBR. Wow, I actually have to read.
Gideon, you can pick the winners. Oh, I think he's in the
chat. Yes,
Gideon
can pick the winners. That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Guys, the word is not TV. If you put TVR, then you can't get an account.
Not TVR, it's TBR.
Do you not get Gideon to beg you, bro? Do you not beg him? All right, you picked the first winner, Nike T Futures. New word, yes. Right, you can pick the other one as well, Gideon. I gotta check in on my cat. All right, that's the second. So next stream, if you guys complain about who won the account, you can complain to Gideon and not me and Finn. So if you're trading for the rest of the day, I will be squared off here. We've got both the highs and lows. Back streaming next week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So make sure to tune in for that, and Matt will be there as well. Enjoy your weekend and be safe. We'll catch you guys soon.
Ciao.